all. Where are we going right now? What does that mean?
Eat. Vegas.
Okay. Are you excited?
No, not at all.
And we shall be in Vegas in 5 hours. So it is day one of our trip officially. It is 7:30 in the morning. We're getting breakfast. We got complimentary breakfast and served to order, so it's great. And we actually got pancakes and omelets coming up. And you guys can see how cute this little restaurant is behind me. It's adorable. Okay, so we're entering Hoover Dam, and at the checkpoint, they literally just asked us if we have
One
any...
question.
Yeah, only one question. Do we have any weapons on board? Like...
America.
Yeah, only in America. You have to ask us. Anyways, look at the view. So this is the Hoover Dam. This is the side where the water comes. It's also a beautiful day today. It was supposed to be really cold in Las Vegas, Nevada, and like Boulder City and stuff, but today it is, I think it's 18 degrees, and it feels really nice because of the sun. And this is the other side of the dam. This is how it's blocked. So Jitesh is scared of heights, and he's not standing over here because look at this decline. Look at this. Holy, that is gosh. Okay, so we randomly did a quick pit stop because there was a scenic overlook, and it's over this little lake that has a whole bunch of boats. It's really nice. Okay, so we've been driving for 1 hour so far, and we have 3.5 more hours to go before we get to Grand Canyon. And the road has been like so empty, and it's so pretty. It's so different from what we see back in Toronto. Like it's very like all like just desert foliage. Foliage, is that a word? Foliage? How do you say foliage? Foliage. Yeah, so it's like desert foliage. You see like, we haven't seen any cactuses yet, but we've seen like these little like shrub plants and a lot of mountains everywhere. Like you can kind of see, yeah, that's the mountain range. We're gonna get Taco Bell in like 20 minutes, so I'm so excited because if you guys don't know, Taco Bell is so much better in the States. Actually, recently I feel like it's pretty much the same, but growing up I used to always be like, oh, Taco Bell in the States, the place to go. So yeah, we're gonna get that. We're gonna eat in the car because we are rushing to get to Grand Canyon. I do not want to miss sunset. I don't want to also have enough time to see everything because sunset's really early here. Also, I've noticed you'll see a lot of weird trucks when you're here, like, or weird cars. Like, look at this monster truck with monster tires. And now we're going to Taco Bell. So we took this detour to go on Route 66 because it's like a famous road. It added like 15 minutes to our drive, which is not too bad. And we're actually going to drive past like an Aboriginal area called Hualapai. I have no idea how to pronounce that. But so there's this place called Hawassu Falls. If you guys want to check it out, check it out. It's actually so cool. But you have to book it like a year or two in advance. Like, so we obviously do not get to go there. But basically, like, it's like their reserve in between mountains with a waterfall and like blue water, and it's like super exclusive, and like you have to book crazy in advance to get there. You have to hike another like 10 kilometers once you're there to 10 miles to actually get into the falls. And yeah, if I can find pictures, I'll like post them so you guys can see what it would look like. But that's definitely a place you should check out if you come to Grand Canyon, and I will definitely come. We will come back because I really want to go. Okay, so we just got to Grand Canyon and we just parked. Tiffany's just gone to the visitor center to get some more information on what hikes we should be doing. And I am so excited. Okay, everyone's looking at me talking. Now I'm gonna go over here. Okay, yeah, I am so excited right now because this has been one of my bucket list items since I was a kid. I've always wanted to come here, and it's finally happening today, so I can't wait to just take that off my bucket list. Also, Jitesh keeps dropping hints about a proposal, like joking around or mentioning how his friend got proposed to at Grand Canyon, and like just like little things here and there. So I don't know what he's up to, but let's see. This is insane. I can't believe I'm looking at this right now. Like, holy, it is gorgeous. This is called, so this point was called, you can't really see it, but the point that I just showed you was called Mather Point. And it's actually like not like a famous point, it's just on our walk, but it looks so cool. So we're just casually walking alongside a like 6,000 foot ditch. No worries. All good. It's really cold, but it's unreal. Unreal. Bucket list experience right here, right? He hates that I'm vlogging this right now.
I'm not enjoying the moment.
I enjoyed the moment. I fully told you that I was not enjoying the moment, so I went back to enjoy the moment.
Can't do that.
I did. Currently day 2 of our trip, and we are in Page, Arizona. We are at the Glen Canyon National Park, which is where Lake Powell is, and then we're gonna go to Antelope Canyon, but this is Lake Powell. We're on top of it, so it's actually gorgeous. Like, I can't believe that North America has views like those. Like, you would not expect those. But here, let me show you. To go into the lower Antelope Canyon. So I was wearing a dress before, but it got kind of chilly here, so I had to change into my puffer jacket and sweater. And yeah, basically we're going into here. Hobbit style. Guys, don't wear white shoes. I knew this going in, but look what happened. I'm not happy. These are brand new, and like, I kind of knew they were gonna get dirty when I brought them here, especially because I knew what we were gonna do, the Antelope Canyon. So now we're walking to Horseshoe Bend. We actually came here in the morning, but they told us it was a 20-minute walk going and 20-minute walk coming back, and we didn't have that much time. So now we're back here.
It's 20 minutes.
Yeah, okay, yeah. They were right about the walk. It looks pretty far. Okay, so I'm just sitting at the edge of Horseshoe Bend right now, and it's like legit meditation. It's such a surreal feeling, just sitting at the edge of a cliff.
There we go. There's Kiara and Bridget, one text.
Alright, I'm gonna just go enjoy this.